In this exercise, we are asked to use 100 as denominator and express the following as fraction. What this means is that we have to find the equivalent fraction of each of these fractions, and we have to use 100 as the denominator. So what that means is that this is equal to a new numerator divided by 100. So just the same as we did at the last exercise, you now ask yourself, what will I multiply by 4 to give me 100? It's the same thing as you saying 100 divided by 4, and that is 25. It therefore means that I'm going to multiply the numerator by 25 to get the new numerator, and 1 times 25 gives me 25. B, we have 1 over 5. Remember, the question says we should use 100 as denominator and express the following as fractions. 1 over 5 can be said to be equal to dash divided by 100. Divide 100 by 5, that gives you 20. It therefore means that 5 times 20 gives you 100. So also multiply the numerator by 20, and 1 times 20 is said to be 20. Do same to this. This is 100. 100 divided by 10 is 10. 10 times 7 it gives us 70. So these are said to be equivalent fractions. D, this is equal to dash divided by 100. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So it therefore means that I'm going to multiply the numerator by 20, which is 2 times 20. 2 times 20 is said to be 40. Do same to this. This is said to be what over 100? 100 divided by 25 is 4. So I'll also multiply the numerator by the same factor, which is 4. 6 times 4 is said to be 24. And that is that on exercise 1A, question number 2. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take question number 3 on exercise A. In this exercise, we are asked to find the first 5 equivalent fractions of the following. So how do we get the first 5 equivalent fractions of the following? We are going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the first 5, this is equal to, if you multiply 5 over 7 by 2, is going to give you, multiply this by 2, it gives you 10 over 7 times 2 is 14. This is equal to, still multiply 5 over 7 by 3. This is said to be 15 divided by 21. 5 over 7 by 4. 4 times 5 is 20 divided by 4 times 7 is 28. The next is going to be 5 over 7 times, this is times 2, 3, 4 times 5. This becomes 25 divided by 35. And the fifth equivalent is going to be 5 over 7 times 6. This is going to be 30 divided by 42. So this is the first 5 equivalent of 5 over 7. B, this is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, is equal to 2 times 3 is 6 over 9. This is times 2 times 3 times 4 gives us 8 divided by 12. This will be equal to 2 times 5 is 10 over 15. This is equal to 2 times 6 is 12 divided by 3 times 6 is said to be 18. So this is the first 5 equivalent fraction of 2 over 3. For 1 over 4, the first 5 equivalent fraction is going to be 2 over 8, simply because I have multiplied the numerator and the denominator by 2. The second will be you multiply by 3, and that will be 3 over 12. The third is going to be 4 divided by 16. The next is going to be 5 divided by 20. And the fifth is going to be 6 divided by 24. All I did was to multiply the numerator and denominator by a constant factor. D, we have 1 over 5. 1 over 5 is equal to 2 over 10, which is the first equivalent fraction. The second will be you multiply by 3, this becomes 3 over 15. And when you multiply by 4, it gives you 4 divided by 20. And you multiply by 5, it's going to be 5 divided by 25. And for the fifth equivalent fraction, is said to be 6 divided by 30. All these are said to be equivalent to 1 over 5, because when you divide 2 over 5 by 2, it gives you 1 over 5. When you simplify 3 over 15 to its lowest term, it still gives you 1 over 5. E, this is equal to, you multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2 to get the first equivalent fraction, which is 10 divided by 24. When you multiply by 3, it gives you the second equivalent fraction, which is 15 divided by 3 times 12 is 36. You multiply by 4, it gives you 20 divided by 48. When you multiply by 5, it gives you 25 divided by 60. And when you multiply by 6, it gives you 30 divided by 72. So all these are said to be equivalent fractions to 5 over 12. That brings us to the end of today's class in exercise A, question number 3. Kindly like our videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, also follow me on Facebook. Kindly turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our classes. We shall now go to percentages.